This shot was packed with tourists, now it's empty. This transition was lame, now it looks like this. And I never opened After Effects, I just prompted it inside Adobe Premiere with the new Higgsfield plugin. I spent the past few days pushing this new AI plugin through my travel archive and found 5 edits worth showing you. And number 3 is a transition I could not have built any other way. Quick context, Higgsfield just launched a plugin suite for Adobe Premiere and After Effects. It works both on macOS, on Windows, and offers 5 tools that will change the way how you edit. Let me show you 5 creative ways on how to use them. How this actually matters in real edits is what I want to show you today. Number 1, the edit every travel filmmaker has begged for. You wait 20 minutes for a clean frame at a famous landmark and it never comes. There's always someone. And now you can just paint them out. You select a clip, you brush over what you want gone, you describe what should be there instead, and it rebuilds the shot. Watch the ground, the texture continues and the shadows stay consistent. That's the part that used to mean a whole afternoon of cloning and roto brushing. One thing to know is your clip has to be a few seconds long. It won't work on half-second short clips. So give it some room and it delivers. Number 2, light. You can't always be somewhere at the right hour. I have so many clips shot at noon because that's when the schedule allowed it. But I got flat light, hard shadows, and a dead sky. But Edit Videos takes a text prompt and regrades the entire mood of the shot. This is the one tool I was most skeptical of, but look closely. The reflections update, the shadow direction follows, and that's how you just unlocked shots you would have cut from the entire film. Number 3 is the reason this whole review exists. You get 2 locations that are usually 2,000 kilometers apart, but with Higgsfield you can now create a transition in the timeline directly. So I generated the bridge between these 2 clips with the Higgsfield plugin. The trick is giving the AI a nice idea of what you want the transition to look like. And everything else is just done by itself with the plugin. So you could storyboard an entire travel film around cuts like this, and a year ago, this was VFX budget. Number 4, remove background, but use the wrong way on purpose. It's built to build a clean key from any footage, without a green screen and without rotoscoping, which means any clip of you anywhere is now a foreground element. So I used it differently. I took myself out of my studio in Berlin and put myself in a studio on Mallorca. Look at the edge around the hair. That's the detail that decides whether a composite reads as a reel or as a meme video. For talking head intros or just fixing your backdrop, this one quietly becomes the tool you use most. Just keep in mind, if you're keying a clean shot against a plain wall, Premiere's native tools will do that for free. And this runs on credit. Use it when native tools give up, which is exactly the messy real-world footage travel filmmakers actually have. And the Higgsfield plugin, of course, also adjusts lighting, the colors, the white balance of yourself when putting you into a new place, which is a huge plus and usually takes lots of effort. Number 5, everyone has an old drive full of footage from before they knew what they were doing, right? You get soft FHD clips, early drone videos, or even current videos that didn't turn out as professional as you thought. And these are often moments you can't reshoot because the trip is over. Upscale now pushes footage to 4K, even 8K, and it's not just stretching the pixels, it rebuilds detail. This clip, for example, is old. I'd written it off. Now it cuts next to footage from a camera that costs 10 times what I was carrying back then. So you see, this is more than just a feature, it's getting memories back into your portfolio. And one small bonus while we're here, Reframe converts any of these shots to vertical, with the subject tracked and centered. So the Reels version of this entire video took minutes, not an evening. So where does this actually land? Here's my honest take after a week with it. The AI doesn't make you a better filmmaker, your eye still decides what a good frame is. The trick or the transition in number 3 only works if you understand match cuts. And the golden hour shot only matters if you know why golden hour matters, right? So what this removes is the wall between having an idea and trying it. The tourist removal, the relocation, the resurrection of old footage, those used to be afternoons, now they are a prompt and a coffee or matcha. If you edit in Adobe Premiere or After Effects, it costs you nothing to install and try this plugin with your own footage. The link is down in the description. Test it on the shots you'd already given up on or you want to level up. That's where it surprised me. Subscribe and like this video if you want to see more like this. Happy creating!